Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2004 Lexus RX 350 maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use this button over here on the left side of the bottom of the cluster. There's a ODO and trip button, and we're going to be using just that button. And we're going to be looking at that little screen right there where the mileage is at. And we are going to reset it on the ODO. So if you're not at the ODO, go ahead and press that trip button and go find ODO, the main mileage, just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, go ahead and press that ODO and trip button and hold it and turn on your car without starting, and you should see the blinkers running just like that. And we are done, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.